How to put lock on WhatsApp in Android phone. Hello everyone. To put lock on WhatsApp, first go to Play Store app. Now type this. Click here. Now click here. Now click install. After install, click open. Now draw a pattern. Now draw again. Now type a 4-digit number. Now click here. Now select WhatsApp. Now click here. Now click here. Now click here. Now click here. Now click accept. Now click here. Now click here. Then click here. To open WhatsApp, you need to draw that pattern again. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.